Hello again. So today we are going to review arithmetic sequence and then we're going to go through some examples. All right, just a quick review. The formula for the arithmetic sequence, finding any terms in arithmetic sequence, is given by this formula right here. T sub n equal to a plus n minus 1 times d, and these are the definition of each of the variables. First term is a, n is number of terms, and d is the common difference. All right, so we got that, and there's an example. Let's go through the example. It's very easy. We want to find, let's say in this case, we want to find what t15 is. That means the 15th term in the sequence. Now the long term or long way of doing this is that you can just keep adding the common difference to the preceding terms and you can get that. So let's do that. Actually, let's find out what the common difference is between any of the two successive terms. What is the difference between? So that's 3 here, 3 there, 3 there. So we notice that is always 3. That is the arithmetic sequence. So we can go ahead and now plug it into the formula one step at a time. So I'm going to d equal to 3. What is the first term? A is 2, and the number of terms n is given, which is 15, right? This is number of term right there, 15. All right, so that's what we're going to do, and that's 15, and what we want to find is t sub n. Excellent. Let's go ahead and plug it in and come back. Okay, so now I just plug in the variables a, n, and d for 2 and 15 and 3, and t15 we're looking for. So we're going to do some math here, and then we're going to go through the bet mass. So 2 plus 15 minus 1 is 14, and then we have to multiply by 3. So we're going to do 3 times 14 first. That will give us 42. And that's 2, you add, that's 44. So the 15th term of the sequence is 44. Okay, let's look at another example. We want to find the 25th term, right here, 25th term of arithmetic sequence, 3, 7, 11, ... t 25th, and then this continues that sequence. All right, when we write it out, here we go, that's the sequence. We need to write down all the variables that we know based on the original formula, right? So it's right here. This is the formula that we're going to use, right? Always is that. All right, so here it is. A is 3. D, we need to figure D out, and D, that should be very easy. So between the two, that's plus 4, so that's 4. Very good. N, we already know what n is. N is right here. That's 25. So n is 25th term, 25. So t25, we do not know, we want to find. Let's plug it into the formula, and then let's simplify. Okay, so now we have the t25 equal to 3 plus 25 minus 1 times 4. We do the math on that. We get t25, the 25th term of the sequence is 99. Simple as that. Okay, and that's what how you show your work, a step at a time.